Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Introducing the exquisite Porsche design P’6310 Red, a true masterpiece in the world of watchmaking. These men's watches embody the unparalleled quality and style characteristic of Swiss craftsmanship. Porsche design watches are synonymous with elegance and technological innovation. Although these watches have been previously used, their excellent working condition ensures long-lasting and reliable service. The case is made of durable steel, providing reliability and longevity, while the 43mm size is perfect for a man's wrist. The sapphire crystal, resistant to scratches, adds additional durability to the watch. These watches come with a custom-made leather strap in black with red stitching, designed to complete the stylish look. They are ideal for men leading an active lifestyle and who appreciate both comfort and style. Made in Switzerland, these watches guarantee quality and precision. With a power reserve of more than a day without self-winding, they are convenient to use. The automatic movement ensures high accuracy, while splash resistance makes them suitable for everyday wear. The functions include hours, minutes, seconds, and date, making them perfect for the modern man. The dial is in good condition, adding even more appeal to the watch. These watches will be an excellent addition to your wardrobe, highlighting your style and adding a touch of sporty elegance to any outfit. The Porsche design P’6310 Red is the choice for those who value quality and impeccable design. Have a nice day and happy shopping! Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.